Holy moly, Colorado is going to accept Bitcoin for estate taxes. Seems like the world is changing to Bitcoin, from Warren Buffett to the states are getting into Bitcoin. We had Arizona pass a bill that they want to accept Bitcoin and make it legal tender. We're having Venezuela, and I think other countries are getting into Bitcoin very, very soon. Also, another important news is that JP Morgan just bought some decentralized land, aka the metaverse. Remember JP Morgan, the CEO, said that cryptos was trash and he would fire everyone that worked for him that got into Bitcoin. Guess what? They're getting into the cryptos right now. They got into the metaverse. They just bought some, they created their own lounge in Decentraland. So the times are changing, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.